2027 may feel far away, but Nigeria's political storm is already brewing. On one side, you have Atiku Abubakar, the seasoned veteran with decades of political battles behind him, who is still convinced that he has what it takes to lead the country. Then, on the other hand, Peter Obi, the fresh force who in 2023 electrified millions of Nigerians, especially the youths, and gave Nigerians a new kind of hope. Both men want the tough job. Both believe they can rescue Nigeria. But here is the million-dollar question. Can they set aside rivalry and unite as one strong opposition? Or will ambition once again divide the house and hand victory to the ruling party? Today, we are diving deep into the power play, the possibilities and the risks as 2027 approaches. Welcome back to today's episode of Nigerian Unfiltered, where we break down Nigeria's most pressing issues. Politics is always heating up, and the conversation around 2027 is already in full swing. Right now, all eyes are on two men, Atiku Abubakar and Peter Obi. Atiku, who has contested multiple times, still carries the weight of experience, the political network, and the name recognition. Obi, on the other hand, represents something fresher, the man who shook the political table in 2023, capturing the imaginations of millions of Nigerians, particularly young Nigerians who felt seen and heard for the first time in a long time. The problem is clear. Both men want the same prize, but only one can hold the ticket. Exactly. And that's where the opposition often stumbles. In 2023, we saw what happened when ambition overweights the unity. The opposition went into the elections divided, votes were splitted, and the ruling party had much smoother paths to victory. Nigerians are asking, will we see the same mistake repeated in 2027, or will these leaders finally realize that united, they are much stronger? And let's be honest, Nigerians are not looking for another round of political drama. They are looking for leadership that can deliver, whether it's fuel prices, the cost of food, insecurity, or unemployment. People want real solutions, not just campaign promises. If the opposition comes to 2027 divided, many Nigerians will see it as a proof that politicians care more about power than about the people. Here's my honest take on this issue. Nigerians are tired. They are tired of excuses, tired of politics as usual, tired of watching leaders put ambition before the nation. 2023 was a painful lesson. Division within the opposition means the ruling party won without breaking too much of a sweat. Atiku brings in experience, political reach, no doubt. Obi brings in passion, fresh energy, and youth appeal. Separately, they are strong, but not strong enough to face a united ruling party. Together, though, they could actually change the story. But here is the catchy. Unity requires sacrifice. It means one man stepping down for another. It means promises, compromises. It means putting the country first. And that's where Nigerian politics often fail, because ego and self-interest usually take the front seats. If Atiku and Obi or whoever else enters this race cannot come together, 2027 may just be another missed opportunity. If they can bury personal ambitions and stand as one, Nigerians might finally get a real alternative, a chance for genuine change, and maybe even the beginning of something different. Yes, well said. At the end of the day, Nigerians are looking for who can provide jobs, who can reduce the hardship we are facing right now. That's the heart of this conversation. So what do you think?